Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to change fader and balance on the following car. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Now let's select here the settings, so the gear icon. From the list of settings, let's use the left side. Here you need to find the music icon, this note icon. So if you tap the music, the AV settings, you can choose sound settings, so the first option. Then select fader and balance, also the first option from this list. And as you can see, you can adjust the fader and balance. So this determines the distribution of sound across the car's interior. You can change the balance to adjust the sound between the left and right speakers, as you can see right here. Here we've got information, left 2, left 3. You can also change the fader, so you can adjust the sound between the front and the rear speaker. So for example, you can adjust those settings to have the most volume on the driver's seat, and for example you can leave it like that, or you can tap reset to just go back to the center fader and balance. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.